Hi everyone, I'm Jack from howtospecialist.com, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a farmhouse queen-size bed frame. This is a beautiful, sturdy piece of furniture that you can make yourself using basic tools and materials. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process, from cutting the lumber to assembling the frame and adding the finishing touches. Let's get started and bring that farmhouse style into your bedroom. This bed frame is made from readily available lumber that you can find at any home improvement store, so sourcing the materials is easy and budget-friendly. It's designed to be built to last, offering both durability and style. The standout feature is the headboard with its classic X trims, giving the bed that signature farmhouse look. The footboard is elegant yet rustic, striking a perfect balance between charm and simplicity. Plus, the bed has sturdy legs underneath, which provide excellent support for the mattress, ensuring comfort and stability for years to come. If you enjoy building with Lego, you're going to love this project. As you can see in the video, all the parts are color-coded, making it easy to follow along as you build. Each piece fits together perfectly, forming the key structures that will eventually assemble into the final bed frame. It's a fun, rewarding process that's almost like putting together a giant, functional puzzle. The frame of both the headboard and footboard is built using sturdy 4x4 posts, ensuring a solid and robust structure. Of course, we'll be using pocket holes to join the parts together for a strong and seamless finish. The panel boards are also attached to the bed using pocket holes, ensuring everything stays tightly secured. Just make sure to position the pocket holes at the back of the parts, keeping them hidden from view, so you end up with a clean, professional look. We're going to start by building the frame for both the headboard and the footboard using posts, which are super solid and give the bed a really sturdy foundation. We'll be joining the pieces together using pocket holes to keep things nice and strong without any visible screws. Same goes for the panel boards. They'll be attached with pocket holes, making sure everything is held together securely. And here's a little tip. Make sure to hide those pocket holes on the back side of the pieces so they stay out of sight and you get a clean, polished look when it's all done. The 1x10 sides of the bed are designed to hide the actual frame that supports the mattress, giving the bed a clean, seamless appearance. Beneath those sides, the frame itself is super sturdy, holding everything together securely. It's built to ensure that the bed remains solid and reliable, providing excellent support for your mattress without compromising on style. The total cost to build this farmhouse queen-size bed frame will vary depending on local lumber prices, but you can expect it to be around $200 to $300. For the full detailed plans, head over to howtospecialist.com and be sure to check the link in the bio for easy access. Until next time, build your dreams and stay tuned for more exciting projects.